everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. We gotta finish up this 4i. It's getting very close. We got couplers, we got wires, we got hoses. Yes, boys, this thing. We're gonna drive it soon, yeah?
Soon, yes, very soon.
Very soon. Drive shaft is in it.
I think I was like getting the shifter and the cable hooked up.
Shifter and cable. As you know, guys, this is a 6R80. It was a stick before. So I got to finish up that. If you caught the video last week, I had a slight issue with it not wanting to start with the key. It was just a connection.
Yeah, that's my fault.
On the, okay, so yeah, that's fixed. So in theory, she's pretty well ready to rock, which is a very cool thing. And again, guys, this is the sleeper car, and people have always asking me, you know, what makes that a sleeper? I mean, you look at the wheels and the little white letter tires, and got the pinstripe, and got the old grandpa front tag on it. I mean, and then you got all this under the hood, yeah. And we can't really say a whole lot about it as far as, you know, what this car is going to do, but let's just say down in Memphis, it's going to be taking a lot of money. That's all we'll say about that. All right, guys, we got the intake on. Got some coolant going down in there. Got power steering in the power steering fluid reservoir. You can see Dover got all the heater hoses are all hooked up. We got some heat rolling. Temperature gauge center hooked up. Yeah. The checklist is getting rather short. Alright. Battery hooked up. Let's see what we got here. Fire in the hole. Cold start. Sounds good. Give it a few more revs here. It's freaking loud. Oil pressure's good. Got volts, temp, tack works good. No, tack is not working. Bad. All right, boys, you can calm down. Everything's kind of bleeding out here. Getting all the fluids topped off. That pulley might be a little messed up. I don't know. Hard to tell. But I'm gonna top off the 6R80. But guys, I gotta tell you, that was by far the loudest cold start we've ever. Maybe it was the tune, or I don't know. We're shaking the wheel. which it is open headers, but my God, it was loud. Yeah, it's just kind of calmed down, doing its thing now. There it is, boys, extreme close up. Drive shafts in. Just gotta kind of figure out exactly how to get the shifter hooked up. Bad boy, we're ready. All right, let's fill her up. Alright guys, we're going to do a mad dash to drive it. Not sure if it's going to happen, but I'm going to replace these brake lines because we cut them whenever we pulled the engine out of it. And Dover is trying to hook this shifter cable up, so fingers crossed we knock this out and maybe it'll move on its own power. All right guys, we are nearing the finish line. As you can see, got the brake lines on both sides. We're about to bleed the brakes. And let's see, Dover's got the shifter hooked up. Look here, shifter hooked up. So we're gonna bleed the brakes. Very close, guys, very close. I really think we're gonna be able to drive this thing. All right, brakes bled, wheels on, shifter hooked up.
Yeah, it will.
Shall we wake the neighbors?
Yeah, it will.
Guys, we're on 10-inch brakes, bald tires, open headers. Yeah. I mean, seriously, 10-inch brakes, bald tires, open headers. What could go wrong? Yeah. What could possibly go wrong? The stock shifter is working. Which cable did you end up using?
An AOD cable.
Just AOD cable, power by the hour bracket. Yeah.
I have nothing else as loud. Huh?
It is, man. This thing is crazy. there you go, guys. First freaking drive of the 4i84 Coyote Swap 2017 Mustang GT drivetrain. This car is really freaking cool. Really freaking cool. Obviously, boys, it's got a lot of little details that still need to be ironed out, but pretty neat little car. So just because you see these wheels and the pinstripe, the old tag on the front, yeah, she's a ripper and just gonna get faster once she's tuned and got the exhaust and all that. This thing's really gonna be awesome. So
far so good.
yeah, freaking great. What a cool ride. So there you go, guys. We weren't actually sure when we started this video today if we were going to get to drive it, but knocked it out. This car is crazy. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Lots more builds coming. Later.